Hello watcher and subscribers. Now we are in the next tutorial of NumPy, and if you are using NumPy, if you are learning NumPy, you must know the differences between list and NumPy, as well as you should also know the similarity between these two. So in this tutorial we are going to learn what about the similarity and what about the differences between these two. So list and NumPy similarity that we will see. First point is storing data. The main use of list is to store the values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can store any kind of data. So NumPy also, the main purpose of NumPy is to store the list of values just like array. And mutable is the second point, means in the list whatever the values are there, they are changeable. In NumPy we have the same concept, we can change the values. Both the concept list and NumPy, they are supporting index, means we specify the index position in list for extracting the value. Same we can do in the NumPy for extracting particular value. We can also have slicing if you are extracting range of values or more than one values. Then this slicing concept we are having in list and NumPy. Now we will see the differences. So here these are the all differences. We will cover up one by one. So the first one is that different data type. In the list we use different types of values, but in the NumPy it is treated like an array, so we have the same kind of data type. Then the second point is that no need to import module for declaration, means list you can directly use in the program, but in NumPy you have to import the NumPy module, then only you can use it. Third one is cannot directly handle arithmetic operation, but in NumPy we can handle arithmetic operation. I will show you practically. For example, here I have already written the code for the NumPy. In the last tutorial we have seen also. First we import the NumPy. This is the array values, and this is the here we are writing print array, means ARR. So it will print the list of all values whichever we are having in the array. So if I run this, you can observe the output, all the values are printing. But suppose if I divide this all the values by 2, then what happen? This division operator is belonging to the arithmetic operation, so it will divide that all the values by 2. So first value was 2, so you see it is 1, here also it is 1. So in this way we can perform division operation. But suppose in place of this 2 I am using list. I am using list of value, and now it is quite interesting, and the error will be there. You see it is not able to perform this operation. So what happened? In the NumPy you can easily perform arithmetic operation. Then our next point is prepare for shorter sequence of data, and it is prepare for longer sequence of data, because NumPy is nothing but the array, and we can have one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, n dimensional. So NumPy is used for the longer sequence of data, and list is used for just you can say one dimensional values, like continuous 3 to 4 values, or suppose you have the particular sequence of values, then you can use the list. But for matrix, in the form of matrix data or more number of values, then we prepare the NumPy. Then list, it is having greater flexibility, allow modification on addition and deletion of data. Here it has less flexibility, since addition and deletion has to be done particular element wise. And about list, it consume larger memory for easy addition of element, and here comparatively more compact in memory size, because it store the values in a continuous location. So these are the differences between list and NumPy. Previously we have seen similarity, and these are the differences. If you are using NumPy, you should know the basic differences between list and NumPy. So I hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.